In this video, I will show you how to put Nintendo Switch Fortnite account on PS5. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, you're going to have to do this on a PC or laptop, and what you want to do is open up a new browser, come across to Fortnite.com, and if you're not already, you just want to log into your account. So you can do that by coming up to the top right hand corner, clicking onto your profile icon, and that's going to take you across to the login screen where you can log in with your Epic Games account. Now once you've logged in, what you're going to want to do is come back up to the top right hand corner and click onto your profile icon. What it's going to do is bring up a menu like this, and from here you want to go ahead and click onto account. Now what it's going to do is take you across to your account settings, and from here you want to come to this menu on the left hand side and then go ahead and click onto apps and accounts. So what that's going to do is take you across to a screen like this, and you should see if you've connected your Nintendo Switch account, it should be showing down here. Now to have this appear on your PS5, all you need to do is simply connect your PlayStation Network account from this screen by clicking the connect button underneath PlayStation Network. Make sure at this point at the top that you're clicked onto account and not apps, so that you do locate to the PlayStation Network account. And then once you click the connect button underneath PlayStation Network, it's going to redirect you to another screen like this, where it's going to ask to connect your account for PlayStation Network. At this point, all you would do is simply click the blue connect account button. Then what it's going to do is take you to this screen, and what you're going to do is sign in to your PlayStation Network account. So at the moment it looks like there's a problem with the PlayStation Network servers. I've tried to log in but it's saying can't connect to the server, so it looks like the PlayStation Network servers are down. But basically once you've logged in with your account, that's going to go ahead and connect your PS5 Fortnite account. So what you'll be able to basically do is use your Fortnite Nintendo Switch account on your PS5. So that's how to put your Nintendo Switch Fortnite account on PS5. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.